Welcome. It seems that just a couple of weeks following my video detailing a couple of the differences between production and development builds of Windows 11, the two featured features, the search on the taskbar experience and the tabbed Notepad, has made it into the production channel with the 2023-2 Cumulative Update KB 5022913, released on February 28, 2023. To qualify for the update, you have to be running Windows 11 22H2. Once the update is complete, you will see the new Bing-powered update search on the taskbar and an updated Notepad with tabs. As demonstrated before, the search on the taskbar experience provides additional setting options, allowing you, the user, to select between hide, search icon only, search icon and label, search box. You can search by either typing your query into the taskbar search box or in the search box at the top of the start menu. Notepad with tabs is here and is a welcomed UI update. Functionality is practically unchanged from the older version, but the tabs provide an easier to use interface when multiple text files are open. With the update, Task Manager now supports filtering processes and services by name, PID, or description, enhancing usability by showing only what is relevant and important. Although not really part of this update, it is worth mentioning that the new Snipping tool now supports screen capture to video files. You can record the entire screen or just a portion and save it to an H.264 encoded MP4 file. However, the captured video does not contain any audio information. This latest update delivers on the progress made to some of the core features and applications vetted in the development channel and seems to make Windows 11 easier and friendlier to use. See the knowledge base article for more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick peek and found it useful. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on to others if you found it interesting. Thank you for watching.